Organization sila dyan. Gatherings nila.
Pwede pala dito.
May hindi tayo pumunta dito nung nakaraan. Dapat dito tayo, oh.
Dito mo lang ta nag-focus.
We're not allowed. Sa likod mo.
They're not allowing soda.
This one? I don't know. No, extra lang.
May ano man, may tao. May
Yeah.
allowed ba? Pwede
Maglakad
ata.
tayo. Maglakad pa tayo. This is Cornish. Doha Museum.
This is Mia Park.
Mia Park, guys. Mia Park.
Mia Park.
Mia Park.
Nag-ano ko pala.
Ayun, oh. Charan, charan. Langhap ng sariwang hangin. Before every Friday, this full of Filipinos.
Yeah.
But now no more.
It's hot, that's why. I think from where you will ride the boat? From here?
That side.
Ang shell, oh.
Oh, we can also take picture there.
Hi guys!
Anday, oh. Anday, oh.
Uga! If we want to ride the boat there, I can park here.
Right in first exit, the boat's there.
Ah, thank you so.
First exit.
Kita jud tanang lugar.
No? Na-pair na?
We have to walk, guys.
Le, na-pair na, le?
Wala pa?
Okay lang.
Mora din yung purpose din. Ay, may ano, may entry. 1 hour, 3 real.
Park pang sakyanan para makasakay na ni og bangka.
Okay, di bali safe naman.
At the safety. Go.
Go, guys!